Do you want unlimited Super Wheelspins? Then watch this video and do the same as I do. First you need to buy the Subaru Impreza 22B STI. You need a lot of them for the Wheelspins, but you can buy them later. Make sure you have one. Make sure you have this tuning on the car. This is the share code. Then go to Car Mastery and unlock the same perks as I have. Now go to the event lab and search the same code as me. This map is gonna give you the skill points. Do not forget to change your settings. You need it on unbeatable and all assisted. Now you can leave or restart. I recommend restarting so you can farm fast. You get 10 skill points every time you play the race. As you can see, I restarted 7 times, so I got 70 skill points and it took me only a couple minutes. Now get in a new Subaru Impreza 22B STI and unlock your Super Wheelspin.